Oklahoma City.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe
78
thunderstorm
degrees.
warning for northeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Tuttle, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southern Oklahoma City, Norman, Moore, Midwest City, Del City, Newcastle, Mustang, Tuttle, Goldsby, Valley Brook, Bridge Creek, Tinker Air Force Base, Stanley Draper Lake, and southwestern Lake Thunderbird. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
4:12 p.m. Controls accessible. Time.
A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of